Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be installing my new side markers. So my car is kind of dirty and it's windy outside. So I actually did the other side already. And so this is the old side marker. These are the new ones. So I got, I don't know if you can see that. Got the Helix crystal clear side marker. So it's gonna look like that. I just think it looks so much better and so much cleaner, and like, I don't know. I got white LED bulbs. Don't think they're legal in California, and I made the mistake of buying them. I think you have to have the amber lights. So I'm gonna see how it goes, and if not, I'll just buy the amber lights. So first, I'm gonna move the wheel. That's what you wanna have now, because you're gonna be going in through here, and literally the other side I have so much trouble because I cannot see in my fat head, you know. Okay, you're gonna want to take off these clips and this one up here. I hope you can see that. So you're gonna take a Phillips, I'm trying to show, Phillips screwdriver, and take it off. Ignore my crusty nails. And it's very disgusting down here, or at least mine is. Okay, and then just put those away. There's another one. Twist and pop it off. Just like grab it from anywhere. Okay, so once you get this out, this is like so dirty. You're gonna want the second hole up here, not this one. This is where the clip goes. You want that hole, and put in your screwdriver to take out the A-clip. So I had a lot of trouble with the A-clip in the beginning, and I could not figure it out how to get it out. You literally just have to like put in the screwdriver and kind of guess where it's at and keep like punching it until it comes out. So what helped me on the other one is I like looked at how this one was placed and like where exactly it was at. I kind of know now. Oh, I wasn't even showing you guys. I kind of like know now how to like guess where it's at. But for like the first one that I did, I could not like figure it out. I did it for like 10 minutes straight with nothing. So I like literally placed it. And so this is what you're trying to get out. This is the A-clip that's holding it together. Ooh. And I think the best way to get it out is with the flathead, because it goes like straight in. But this flathead is way too chunky, and I can't find a small one, so I gave up. So for the other one, I just used this regular Phillips one, and it worked. So I think it's fine using that. So literally what you're gonna try and do on the other side is just push the A-clip out. I'm such a bad explainer, but like that's probably like the most difficult part of this whole thing. I kind of just guessed until I felt something, and then I just pushed it, and you'll hear like a pop, so you'll know that it's out. But try not to break it. I mean, if you're not going to use these anymore, then it doesn't matter, but I like to keep my stuff just in case. So now let me try and turn yours around. So the best way I can show you is if I just go in with you here. So sorry for my horrible filming. Okay, so this is where the side marker, and you want to go in this hole. That is where the A-clip is at, and you'll find it. See the actual clip. Okay, so it's literally right there. You can even see it has the A on it. So that's what you're trying to get out. So the where it hangs on is on the left. So try and get through there. Did I get it? I think I got it. No, I didn't. Okay, it's like coming out. Oh my god, I got it. Did I break that? Okay, no. But you see where it's at? Okay, I think I bent it a lot though. Oops. Basically what you want to do is take this, I think it's called a buttress, I don't really know, and you twist it clockwise and it'll literally snap out. So you take the old light out and it'll be empty now, and you get your new, this is a white LED light, so hopefully it doesn't get pulled over, but for now I'm going to put it on because I bought it. Test it. Turn on the light real quick. Okay, that did not turn on. Okay, there we go. I don't know why it wasn't working, but it's on now. You can see it. To put it back in, you want to make sure this is facing down like this. Like how I'm showing you right now is how you want it. Oh my god, there we go. I'm just weak, so I guess that's why. Okay, so now you want to just pop it back into place. So I kind of just line it up first. Kind of see and make sure that A clip is going back in that hole again. There we go. You want to hear that pop. So now you clips back in. You gotta put it back in and just like push it back in. And you want to like kind of tuck this all back in. I guess I should have done that before. I don't know why I did that. I got all your clips back on and we're basically done. Like, it's a very, very easy install. So much better, so much cleaner. Let's look at the other side. My car's so dirty again. I want to show you guys what it looks like at night. I don't know why there's that blue light on there. And I feel like it looks kind of weird because of like the 3 different lightings, but I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave it because at some point I want to upgrade my headlights, so I think I'll match with like upgraded LED headlights and it won't look as weird. It kind of almost looks blue on camera, but I swear it's not. Film it. Oh yeah, I mean in the daytime I think that's when it looks the best because the lights are off and it doesn't look like all off, you know. We'll see how it goes. If I get pulled over, then obviously I have to change out the bulb to amber, but for now I think that's how I'm gonna leave it. But I just want to show you how bright they are in the nighttime. I'm happy about it. And yeah, I don't know why there's that blue light right there. I don't know, my phone sucks even though I have a brand new phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me install these side markers that I got. I hope you found it helpful or at least entertaining to watch. And yeah, I'm trying to see if I left out any details. So in case anyone wanted to know, I got these off the 86 Speed website. I forgot how much they were, but I'll link them down below. And these ones that I got are the Helix Crystal Clear side markers, and it came with the bulb already, so you can choose like the amber LED or the white LED. Obviously I got the white LED before knowing that I can't have white LED. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.